You don't live here, so stop playing games.
Do you know this woman?
No. You shut the f and do your job.
On August 28th, 2025, Port Saint Lucie Police responded to a suspicious person call. A neighbor reported a woman vandalizing property and behaving erratically in a residential driveway.
Hello?
Hello, this is Officer Hernandez with the Port Saint Lucie Police Department.
Hey, how you doing, Officer Hernandez?
Good, how are you doing?
Doing good. You calling about the situation that I just called about?
I am.
Yeah. My neighbors are Jamaican, so I never seen a white person over there. There's a lady that's on the front driveway. It looked like she damaged the side yard hose, and she has the hose pulled out to the driveway. She's sitting on the driveway barefoot. It looked like she's wearing like damn near booty shorts and a white beater, and she sprayed like the hose is like squirting. She's squirting water on the middle of the street. And she just there on her phone or something like that. I'm not sure if she's still there. My wife is she's heading back to the house right now.
Okay, and what was it?
It seems to me like the yard hose, like you know where you roll your hose up for the yard hose.
Like the sprinklers?
Yeah, the sprinklers, but it's not a sprinkler, just the hose that you pull out if you want to like wash your car.
I gotcha, yeah.
Or your lawn. So she damaged that, and then she took her socks and threw it on our driveway. I don't know. I don't know if these people know her because, like I said, I've never seen any white people over there at their house before. They're all Jamaican.
I got you.
So
Have you ever seen her in the area? Hello?
Go ahead. What was it? I'm in Texas right now. The connection's kind of shaky.
I got you. I said, have you ever seen her around in the area?
Huh?
Have you ever seen her?
I never seen her. I never seen her around there. That's why I'm calling. I have a picture of her too. If you want a picture, if you want to give me if you need that, if she's walking around, because she's walking around, so I'm assuming she lives somewhere in the area or she got lost. I don't know which one of the two, because there's no way you're gonna take off your shoes and socks and be barefoot in a neighborhood that's not yours, or if you're not within a 10-minute walking radius.
So you didn't observe her, but your wife did, correct?
Yeah. She's in the house right next to her.
Okay, and do you have any of the neighbors' information?
No, I don't. I don't have any of my neighbors' information. But I don't want that lady to know that my wife called in, because if she was walking around, I don't want her to come back retaliate or something. If she's doing that, I don't know what else she's capable of.
I got you, no worries. Okay, let me. I'm on my way there now. I'll make contact with the female if she's still there, and I'll try to get in contact with the neighbors and try to see what's going on, okay?
Yeah, because their car's in the driveway. That's why I'm confused.
Okay, so they're possibly home?
They may be home, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, like I said, I'll try to make contact with them, and I'll give you a call if I have any questions, okay?
All right, cool. Thank you. What was your name again? You said Kat, right?
Hernandez.
Oh, Hernandez. All right, Officer Hernandez. Have a good one.
I do the same.
Officer Hernandez investigated the trespassing complaint. The woman insisted the home was hers, despite having no identification or proof of residency. This footage documents the 18-minute encounter from initial contact through arrest. The neighbor reported the woman sitting barefoot, damaging yard equipment, pulling out a garden hose, and spraying water into the street. Under Florida Statute Section 810.08, trespassing is willfully entering or remaining in any structure without authorization. The critical legal question is whether the individual had permission to be present.
How are you?
Great. How about yourself?
Good. What's going on today? Oh. You live here? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
No.
No?
No.
Alright. Why is the hose running?
Just trying to clean the car.
You're trying to clean the car? Alright, we're going to turn it off, okay?
Okay, go for it.
What's your name?
Shelby?
Shelby. What you doing outside?
I'm just chilling.
Just chilling?
Yep.
And you say you live here?
Yep.
Okay. This your car?
Yep.
And you said you live here?
Yep.
Okay, there's no one at the house? Okay. What's a good phone number for you? You got any middle name?
Yes, Marie.
Do you have any type of proof that you live here at all? You got mail that gets here or anything like that?
No, I don't need it. I get everything electronically.
Okay, can I see it? Showing that you live at 2032?
No.
Okay.
You hear the dogs inside. Just leave them alone. I'm literally just sitting outside.
Okay, it's because we have some neighbors calling in saying that you were here and you're not supposed to be here. You don't live here. They've never seen you around this residence, that's why.
Oh, okay.
So do you have any type of proof that you reside here?
Like, why do you need to know? It's none of the neighbors.
Okay.
Where'd you live before this?
Why do you want to know?
Huh?
Why do you want to know?
I don't know. You don't think this is a little strange, miss? Sitting in the driveway with the hose running? It's a little strange. We're just trying to figure out if you need any help or
I did.
what kind of dogs are in there.
Why do you want to know?
Just curious, just making conversation, that's all.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so do you have any type of identification showing proof that you live here?
PSL may be stopped.
'Cause this car doesn't come back to you. You're not, your neighbors have never seen you around in the area, or at least at this residence.
I wouldn't go any further back there.
So what are you doing here?
I literally
You live here? Can you show me some type of proof that you live here?
no.
Okay. Do you know if anyone's inside? Who? Okay. How long have you been living here for then?
Does not matter. Just calm down.
How long have you been living here for then? So you're telling me you live here.
Yep. I'll see you later. Deuces.
Where are you going?
No answer. Is she gonna fucking break in this house now?
Officer Hernandez makes contact with Shelby Mary. His initial approach is non-confrontational, using open-ended questions to determine her relationship to the property. Under Terry versus Ohio, an officer may detain an individual with reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. The neighbor's report, combined with Shelby's inability to provide identification, establishes reasonable suspicion. Shelby claims she receives all mail electronically and has no physical proof of residency. The officer's question about the dogs inside is a tactical interview technique to test knowledge of the property. The officer runs the license plate. When the registration does not come back to Shelby or this address, the reasonable suspicion of trespassing strengthens considerably. Shelby's behavior shifts from evasive to confrontational. When pressed about how long she has lived here, she refuses to answer. This deflection is common when the individual lacks legitimate authority to be present. Shelby suddenly walks toward the front door. The officer follows and observes her attempting to open the door. This is a critical moment. If Shelby were truly a resident, she would have a key. Her attempt to enter, combined with her inability to gain access, transforms this into probable cause for trespassing. Florida Statute Section 810.08 requires two elements: that the person entered or remained in the structure, and that they did so without authorization. Officer Hernandez has probable cause for both elements.
All right, the party's over, Shelby. We gotta go.
Okay.
All right. Where do you really live?
Huh?
Where do you really live?
Why do you want to know so
Because
much?
you're about to get collared for trespassing right now. It's not really funny.
I mean, I don't know at this point.
All right, very
You
good.
pulled my record. I really don't give a shit. Just let me enjoy the music.
You can enjoy the music all you want. It's a free country, not on somebody else's property. This is not your house, right? So the party's over. All right, let's go find your shoes and let's go back home.
Can I please just avoid
No, let's go. I'm over it by now. Let's go.
No, I'm good.
Got freaking bit up by ants and I'm not in a good mood now. So let's go.
Well, you seem-
The game's over. Come on.
I'm just
Shelby, where do you reside?
I'll figure it out.
That's what we figured out so far. Which one of those?
So what are you doing here?
It's over there. Okay, what are you doing here? I am...
You don't live here, so stop playing games.
Okay.
So what are you doing here?
I'm just vibing with the dogs.
Do you know anyone that lives here?
Don't worry
Shelby, you on any medication or drugs right now?
Shelby, are you on any medication? Are you diagnosed with anything?
Hook her up and figure it out. Or... We still don't have this person, right? The neighbor called them? Yeah, I guess so.
You want to hang out with us?
Yeah, I'd love to. Do you know this woman?
Rather than leave, Shelby moves to the backyard and plays music. Despite profane language, Officer Hernandez maintains a calm demeanor and attempts verbal resolution. The officer has probable cause for arrest, yet continues giving Shelby opportunities to leave voluntarily. However, this extends the encounter and creates safety concerns. Officer Hernandez announces detention. Detention is a temporary seizure for investigation. Arrest requires probable cause that a crime occurred. Backup officers arrive, which is standard protocol. Under Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting without violence occurs when someone obstructs any officer in lawful execution of duty. Shelby's refusal to comply and verbal obstruction establish this charge. Officers contact the actual homeowner. When asked if they know this woman, the response is no. This definitively establishes Shelby had no authorization to be on the property.
Do you live here? Okay. Come here. Come here.
Do you live here? Yep. Who else is in here?
Nobody.
Just you?
There's a bunch of cameras.
Do you have an ID that shows that you live here?
I have my work shit. Come here.
Okay, hold on. Let me step out for a moment.
Who do you live with?
Don't freaking worry about it.
Who do you live with?
Don't worry about it.
Who do you live with?
Don't worry about it.
You got roommates or anything that we can speak with that could confirm that you live here?
Don't worry about it.
What are you diagnosed with?
Don't worry about it. Just stop asking questions and just vibe.
No, I'm not trying to buy. I'm trying to figure out where
You
where
don't
you're
need
from.
to know. You can run everything and figure it out. You just told me. That's it. Just shut your...
Well, I'm asking you where you freaking live.
I don't care. He's doing his job. You shut the f up and do your job. Got a code.
Alright, well, if your ring went off, why didn't it go to your phone?
You don't need to know
Because you
why.
don't live here?
Somebody else lives here.
Who lives here?
Don't worry about it. Shut the f up.
You know you're gonna be arrested, right?
Yeah, I'm already arrested. Who cares?
You're being detained right now, so we figure everything out.
Okay. You shut the f up and do your
No,
job.
that
You
ain't gonna
follow.
happen.
You shut your mouth.
No, that ain't gonna
and
happen.
you follow his commands.
Unfortunately, that ain't. Kick me
You
again.
shut
Kick
your
me
lips.
again.
Shut
Kick
your lips.
me again.
Shut your lips
Kick
and
me
follow
again.
with your eyes.
Kick me again.
I'm not giving. I don't want your gun. I'm trying to show you how to.
Alright, let's put her in the car for now.
Shut the fuck
They
up.
come back to
Follow.
here, but nothing with her name.
Up, down.
Hispanic last name.
Then I was calling here and it went straight to voicemail. She called.
Shut the fuck up.
There's like weird no smoking signs in there, like it's an Airbnb maybe,
Yeah.
or
I'll tell Lily the address and get
Okay.
phone numbers.
watch for ants.
You got anything on you?
Toast.
No.
Quit it. Stop moving.
Stay on the car, Shelby. I'll tighten this one up a little bit. Okay.
Can you just go get my cell phone?
Nope.
Okay.
Yep. Alright, well, this is an interesting.
The officer places Shelby in handcuffs. During this process, she physically resists by kicking at the officer. This physical resistance supports the resisting without violence charge. The officers employ appropriate control techniques. They do not strike Shelby, use impact weapons, or deploy chemical spray. This represents the lowest level of physical force necessary, consistent with Graham versus Connor. Shelby is placed in the patrol vehicle while officers document the scene. They photograph the damaged hose equipment for the criminal mischief charge. Under $200, damage constitutes a second-degree misdemeanor. The entire encounter consumed approximately 18 minutes. The Bodycam footage provides a complete record from suspicious person investigation to lawful arrest. Shelby Mary was charged with resisting an officer without violence and criminal mischief. If convicted on both charges, she could face up to 1 year and 60 days in jail and up to $1,500 in fines. All defendants are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court,
Nope.
for even more police interaction and courtroom content.